Hello, everybody. Welcome to the DLB course, and we're now in week 14. It's hard to believe. Thank you, everyone. So I just wanted to quickly share my screen and show you that I just wanted to say thank you to the students who uploaded their comments onto the stream and discussed the videos that were related to mental states. So here are some students who were able to do that. And also thank you to the students who before that previously posted videos about food. So great job to the students who posted videos. Um, let's see. And so moving also over to some students were able to submit their paragraphs on food. And so I also just wanted to share with you that I commented on your food paragraphs. So please go check my comments and make any revisions if you can. Also, just going back to the stream, I also commented on your work. So if you could check my comments, and in most cases, I asked you a question. And so it would be great if you could respond to my question so we could sort of try and create a dialogue. Okay, let's talk about week 14. Well, first I just want to go to the classwork button and show you the week 14 assignment, which is writing a short essay. And when you open this assignment, you'll see that there is a Google Doc for you to write the short essay. And it looks like this, and it has the essay instructions on it right here. Also, there is, let's see, also there is a slideshow, a presentation that gives you more detail about the short essay. So I just want to quickly run through this with you. So the essay question is, which article or video have you found most interesting or important in the course so far? So you can choose any article or video that we've watched or read, and you can discuss that article or video in this essay. So this short essay should be about 300 words. So please, everyone, try to do your best to getting to the 300 word mark or writing more, and should contain about 3 paragraphs. It should have a short introduction, a Texas body paragraph, which we've been practicing, and a conclusion. So in the introduction, you should state clearly why you found the article or video most important and interesting. That's important, is the introduction should have a main idea. In your body paragraph, please make sure to include a quote from the article or video and follow the text's structure. To help you think about writing paragraphs, please see the slides here below. Make sure you have a title for your essay. So just to go over again, for this article or video, sorry, for this essay, you can choose any article or video from what we've done so far. And this article or video could come from these 4 different units. Language learning, which is from week 3, nature and technology, which is about week 6, week 10, which is food and health, and week 12, which is what we just did last week, which is states of mind, happiness, stress, trauma, and frustration. So if you'd like to, you could discuss 2 articles or videos. I'm giving you that option, but please make sure to have a paragraph, a full paragraph for each one. Okay, something important. Use information from the sources to help explain or support your ideas. So everyone, please use information from the article or video. When I say use information, I mean try to use quotes or summary. So here's an example. In the video, Mind Hack, 7 Secrets to Learn a New Language. So you also, sorry, I'm not reading that anymore. You also want to try and introduce the article or video. So make sure you introduce the article by saying its title, like this right here. So I can even highlight this, right? See how I'm giving the title and actually the author. So if you could introduce the title and the author, that's great. In the video, Mind Hack, 7 Secrets to Learn a New Language, the speaker, Stephen Kaufman, talks about the importance of words over grammar. So here is the quote. I'm introducing the quote here. And then right here, this is what we would call analysis. So I like this idea because the more words I know, the more I can understand when I'm reading or listening. I also think that this is a good strategy for trying to learn about topics that I'm interested in. So this is an example of like a mini paragraph. This paragraph's probably not long enough. So make sure to give at least 2 sentences of analysis or discussion after a quote or other information from a resource. Okay, we also want to make sure we write an introduction. We haven't really worked on introductions in this course so far. So an introduction should have about, in this case, should have about 3 or 4 sentences. So you want to write 1 to 2 sentences to generally introduce the topic. So are you writing about food or health or happiness or language? And then you'd like to give 1 sentence that is your main idea. So this would be the place where you say why this article or video is important or interesting or why you learned the most from it. Some people call this a thesis. I like to call it the main idea, but here you should clearly state your opinion, right? Your main idea of the essay. Then you should provide 1 or 2 sentences that are like a plan for your essay. So you could say, in this essay, I will explain, this and that. In this essay, I will talk about what I learned from Steve Kaufman's video about learning languages and what language learning strategy I use the most, right? So you can just tell the person reading your essay what the essay is about. Please remember the idea of a Texas paragraph. In this short essay, your body paragraph should be a Texas paragraph, and it should include a topic sentence, evidence, example, analysis, and summary. So please try and write 1 paragraph that has all of these things, and this paragraph should be at least 5 sentences. Here again is what those things are. I'm not going to read through all of it, but please check this out and look through it carefully. Here is an example of a Texas paragraph that a student wrote in one of my courses a few years ago. Here is, the topic sentence, and here is the quote, and then here is analysis and discussion and examples. So I think that this Texas paragraph is probably like an 8 out of 10. It's a little bit short and could use a little bit more specific information, and maybe I think it could have better examples. Remember that a Texas paragraph is just one idea. There are other ways to do this, like Peel. In general, Texas paragraph, I'm just trying to help you learn how to write an academic paragraph. If you think this is not an important activity, just wait until you take some kind of college course or some other writing course. You'll have to do more of this. So summary of today's lesson and writing a short essay, please make sure to have a title for your essay. And usually that titles are different, parts of your main idea. And make sure to introduce and discuss information from the resources, use quotes and information, and say what video or article you're talking about. Write a short introductory paragraph. Use a Texas paragraph to help support your main ideas. And if possible, add a short conclusion paragraph. This is where you explain the main idea of the essay again and explain to the reader why your essay is important. Thank you, everybody. I hope that we can work on writing longer and more complete sort of essays right now. If you have any questions, please let me know. I know at least one of you is having trouble writing. So if you'd like to, if you really can't write with your hands and you need to make a video essay or an audio essay, please send me an email and let me know about that. Okay, everyone, have a great weekend, and I hope you're all well.